Do you know how to reset the password or change the password on your Pixfra? Like if you've forgotten it or you're having difficulty connecting it to your phone, because that's really the only time you're going to need your password. Maybe you're even thinking about selling your Pixfra. Well, let me show you the easy way to do it, because the first thing we're going to do is to cancel the old password on the device by restoring the default factory settings. So when you open up the menu, you want the very last option, which is System Settings. It's a cog, and the easiest way to get to it is to go up rather than click down through everything. Now, when you're in System Settings, you want the very last option again. So one click up and you get to Restore Defaults. Now, it might look a little bit different depending on the model that you've got. The good news is that when you restore defaults, it doesn't change the date or time, and you won't lose any of your recordings from the device. But you might find some of the minor settings have defaulted to their norm. So click Confirm, and the very next thing you'll be asked to do is to set a new password. We're just going to make sure that this one is a bit more memorable. When you've done that, click Confirm, and that's it. I'm just going to write this password down this time.